Petrol price was today hiked by 64 paise a litre, but diesel price was cut by rupees 1.35 per litre in line with trend in global oil rates. This is the third increase in petrol price since May. However, in case of diesel, the reduction has halted two consecutive increases during last month. The revision in rates will be effective from midnight tonight. Petrol in Delhi will cost rupees 66.93 per litre from tomorrow instead of rupees 66.29 at present. A litre of diesel will cost rupees 50.93 per litre as opposed to rupees 52.28. Indian Oil Corporation (IOC), the nation's largest oil company, said. On May 16, petrol price was hiked by rupees 3.13 a litre and diesel by rupees 2.71 per litre. However, on June 1st, companies skipped raising rates by 30 to 40 paise that had become necessary due to rise in international rates. Since last price change, there has been an increase in international prices of petrol, while international prices of diesel have shown a downward trend. Indian rupee US dollar exchange rate has depreciated during this period. Combined impact of these factors warrant an upward revision in prices of petrol and a downward revision in prices of diesel, the impact of which is being passed on to the consumers with this price change, IOC said in a statement. The three hikes in petrol rates have wiped away more than one-third of the gains that had accrued to consumers when global rates began to fall in August. In case of diesel, the reduction has partly restored the gains taken away in May. State-owned fuel retailers IOC, Bharat Petroleum Corporation (BPCL) and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation (HPCL) revise petrol and diesel prices on 1st and 16th of every month based on average imported cost and rupee-dollar exchange rate in the previous fortnight.